Hi everyone, my name is Cindy Seitz Krug and I'm going to be teaching in Paducah at Quilt Week this April. And I wanted to share with you about one of the classes I'll be teaching. It's a really fun class called Clamshell Extravaganza. And in that class we cover 12 different clamshell variations, which is hard to believe that there's that many, but here is a sampler with 12 different clamshell designs, and they're just beautiful and simple and amazing when you see what can be done with a simple clamshell design as your base. What we're going to be doing is working on a 20-inch pre-printed half-inch horizontal vertical grid, and we're going to be filling it up with clamshell designs. So that's going to be the front of your practice piece. And then let me show you this. This is how it'll look when you're working on it. But then the back will be with some other kind of pretty fabric that will show off your clamshell designs. And you can actually turn this sampler into a little laptop case if you so choose at a later point. But these clamshell designs are just so fun and exciting, and I just love all the variations that you can do with the simple clamshell. So I hope you'll join me in Paducah in April for Quilt Week and take my Clamshell Extravaganza class.